Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about intermediate first year zoology, structural organization in animals. In this class we will discuss about coelom. So what is the meaning of coelom? Coelom means body cavity. So we know that outer layer, inner layer, middle layer. So in the middle layer the animals have body cavity. So how many types of body cavity? So we will discuss in this class. So these are bilateral triploblastic animals. So body cavity, based on body cavity there are three types of coeloms. Body cavity ni batti three types ఉంటాయి. acoelomates, pseudocoelomates, eucoelomates. సో acoelomates అంటే సీలోము ఆబ్సెంట్ అసలు ఉండదు. సో సీలోము ఆబ్సెంట్. సూడో సీలోమేట్ అంటే ఫాల్స్ సీలోమ్ అంటే ఉన్నట్టు కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ సీలోము ఉండదు. ఇట్స్ అ ఫాల్స్ సీలోమ్. యూ సీలోమేట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ట్రూ సీలోమ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో టూ టైప్స్, డివైడెడ్ బై టూ టైప్స్, షైజోసీలోమేట్స్, ఎంటరోసీలోమేట్స్. So we will discuss about the topic coelom. First of all, features. Acoelomates. So acoelomates, example platyhelminthes. So example Taenia solium. So platyhelminthes class, the animals doesn't have any coelom. Next, primary body cavity or blastocele. So primary body cavity completely fill mesenchyme. So body cavity is absent. So it is called acoelomate. So real or true body cavity is absent. So that's why it is called acoelomates. Next, peritoneum. Peritoneum also absent. Movement in internal organs. So this is also no. Next, diffusion of nutrients out of gut. So this is the slow due to mesenchyme. Next, pseudocoelomates. Example, Rhemati-helminthes. So primary body cavity partially filled mesenchyme. Body cavity is pseudo. It means false. Peritoneum also absent. Movement of internal organs. This is a muscular contraction. Next, diffusion of nutrients out of gut. It is easier to non-muscular gut. So non-muscular gut the animals have. Why? Because these are all parasites. Most of the animals, Nemate-helminthes are parasites. Next one, eucoelomates. Example, Annelida to Cardata. So primary body cavity, it is a true body cavity and it is replaced, and it is also called a secondary body cavity. So body cavity is true coelom. So body cavity is present and it is also called a true coelom. Peritoneum is present and movement of internal organs, it exhibit independent of movement of body wall. So this is very important. Next, diffusion of nutrients out of gut is not possible due to muscular gut wall. So this is the main points of the coelom. And eucoelomates also divided into two types, schizocoelomates, enterocoelomates. So here schizocoelomates, enterocoelomates. So in schizocoelomates example, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Enterocoelomates, Echinodermata, Hemicardata, Cardata. So schizocoelomates, it is also called 4D blastomere or mesentoblast cells. So it divides the mesoderm. Enterocoelomates, these are deuterostomes, radial symmetry, indeterminate cleavage. So we will discuss schizocoelomates and enterocoelomates features. First classification class, schizocoelomates Class example Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. Enterocoelomates, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. So next one, blastopore develops into, this is very very important, blastopore develops into mouth. So it is called protostomes. Protostomes means blastopore develops into mouth. So it is a schizocoelomates. Next one, blastopore develops into anus. It is deuterostomes. So protostomes are schizocoelomates, deuterostomes are enterocoelomates. So protostome develops into mouth and deuterostomes means blastopore develops into anus. Cleavage. So in this, spiral and determined. But in the enterocoelomates, cleavage is radial and indeterminate. Next, mesoderm is formed. Mesoderm means middle layer. So mesoderm is formed 4D blastomere. But in the enterocoelomate, orchentron. Next, coelom is formed splitting of mesoderm. Coelom is formed as pouches of orchentron. So this is very very important points. So I make the mind maps and the short notes. This is very important to the NEET preparation. You must write the notes. Next, in the previous class we had already discussed levels of organization, symmetry, and in this class we will discuss body cavity or coelom. So the three topics I write a short notes. So fundamental features of metazoan phyla. First one, levels of organization, symmetry, body cavity or coelom. First of all, porifera. So porifera, what is the level of organization? Cellular level. So symmetry, asymmetry means sponges. Example, sponges. Body cavity, no, absent. Next, Cnidaria, Ctenophora. These two phylums are tissue level. So symmetry, radial symmetry, body cavity absent. Next one, Platyhelminthes. So level of organization, organ level. Symmetry, bilateral symmetry. From Platyhelminthes to Chordata, bilateral symmetry. So we will write bilateral. Next, body cavity, no body cavity. So Platyhelminthes, acoelomate. Next one, nematoda or Nematohelminthes. So organ system level. From nematoda to chordata, organ system level. Okay. So from nematoda, organ system level. So symmetry, we know that bilateral, and body cavity is pseudo. It means false coelom. So pseudo coelomate. Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca, organ system level, bilateral symmetry, and schizocoelomates. This is the true coelom. Next one, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata. So these three also organ system level, bilateral and enterocoelomates. So this is the main mind maps of these three topics: structural organization in animals, levels of organization, symmetry, coelom or body cavity. In the next class we will discuss about animal tissue. This is very 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 important topic and the confusion topic also. So I made only mind maps, only short notes. So thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.